Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The ultimate guide to fried fish, tips, tricks, and delicious pairings. Crispy, golden, and bursting with flavor, fried fish holds a special place in kitchens worldwide. From the timeless fish and chips to spicy, battered fillets, it's a dish that effortlessly adapts to various flavors and traditions. Whether you're exploring new seasonings or looking for the perfect side dishes, fried fish is a crowd pleaser that never fails to impress. A brief history of fried fish. Fried fish has a rich history, with its roots going back to ancient civilizations. In the 19th century, the British popularized the iconic fish and chips, influenced by Jewish immigrants who brought their battering techniques to England. While fried fish became widely associated with British cuisine, it had already found a place in diverse regions, such as in Asia, where tempura originated, and in West Africa, where fish was paired with spicy marinades. Each culture adapted the technique to fit local ingredients and tastes, creating many versions of this beloved dish. Today, fried fish remains a global favorite, seen in restaurants, street food stalls, and home kitchens. Types of fish best for frying. When it comes to choosing fish for frying, the right variety is crucial. Cod is a classic option, prized for its mild flavor and flaky texture, making it ideal for dishes like fish and chips. Tilapia, another popular choice, is affordable, versatile, and quick to fry, with a neutral taste that can carry bold seasonings. Catfish, a southern staple, is perfect for cornmeal coatings due to its dense texture and slightly sweet flavor. Haddock, often used in the UK for fish and chips, offers a lean, tender bite that complements lighter batters. While fresh fish might have the edge in flavor and texture, frozen fish can also be a great option if handled properly, offering convenience and year-round availability. Techniques for perfectly fried fish. The key to achieving perfectly fried fish is not just the type of fish you use but also the batter or coating you apply. Bear batter is a favorite for its light and airy texture, creating a delicate crunch that pairs perfectly with firm fish like cod. Panko breadcrumbs, lighter and flakier than traditional breadcrumbs, offer an extra crispy crust, which works wonderfully for softer fish like tilapia. For a more southern-inspired result, cornmeal provides a satisfying, slightly gritty texture, making it a go-to for catfish. The oil temperature is another crucial factor in achieving crispy, golden fish. Ideally, you want the oil to be between 350 degrees Fahrenheit and 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the fish cooks evenly without absorbing too much grease. A thermometer is essential for maintaining the right temperature. Frying in small batches is also key. Overcrowding the pan can cause the oil temperature to drop, leading to soggy results. After frying, let the fish rest on a wire rack, not paper towels, to preserve its crispiness. Healthier options for fried fish lovers. If you're looking for a healthier take on fried fish, there are plenty of alternatives to explore. Air fryers have become a game changer, allowing you to achieve a crispy exterior with little to no oil. Air frying fish can drastically reduce calories and fat while still delivering that satisfying crunch. Another way to make fried fish lighter is by opting for healthier coatings like whole wheat breadcrumbs, oat flour, or almond flour. These alternatives provide a crispy texture while adding fiber and reducing carbs. If you prefer traditional frying, using non-stick pans and heart-healthy oils like olive or avocado oil can cut down on fat. Delicious side dishes to pair with fried fish. Fried fish is delicious on its own, but pairing it with the right sides can elevate the meal. Traditional accompaniments like French fries, coleslaw, and tartar sauce are classics for a reason. The crispy fries add a satisfying crunch, while the tangy coleslaw balances the richness of the fish. Tartar sauce, with its creamy, zesty flavor, completes the dish perfectly. For those wanting to try something different, there are many global options to explore. Mexican rice and beans offer a flavorful, mildly spiced side that pairs beautifully with fried fish, while tempura vegetables from Japan provide a light, crispy complement. In the Caribbean, sweet plantains add a natural sweetness that contrasts nicely with savory fried fish. Other great pairings include Italian marinara sauce with garlic bread or West African jollof rice, which brings a rich, spiced element to the meal. Fried fish is more than just a meal, it's a global dish that can be tailored to suit a variety of tastes. Whether you prefer a classic battered cod or a healthier air-fried version, there's a method for everyone. Experiment with different types of fish, batters, and sides to create a dish that satisfies your cravings and reflects your culinary style. The versatility and comfort of fried fish make it a timeless favorite, and with a little creativity, you can enjoy it in countless delicious ways. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.